Hey guys!
Hey, what's up?
First I want to say thank you for all the happy anniversary wishes. That was so sweet of you
This
guys.
is my girlfriend Dalila. You can't see her, you're missing out. But it's awesome. Yeah, we've been together for a year now. So today is May 31st. We just celebrated a few days ago. But that's just fun. Let's get down to business, shall we?
Business. Let's do it.
Business. So I'm looking at the Yahoo Finance biggest percent gainers, Tim Fundamentals DVD. Students know exactly what I'm looking for. I do this every single day. Number one winner on Friday was Millennium. India Acquisition Company up 50% on volume of 200,000 shares in the right price range, $1.84 a share. I like it. So we're going to click on it. We're going to see why is it up. We see that it didn't really start up during the day. This is an intraday chart of it on Friday. It kind of gained momentum throughout the day. What's the news? I mean, the average volume is only 36,000 shares. It traded nearly seven
They have
times
an
that.
awesome research report right here.
The awesome
Ooh.
research report was from March 17th, so it's 2 months old, but we want to research this because it obviously means something. When a company announces a research report about itself, that's kind of sketchy. Like they paid for it, I'm guessing. So we're going to look at this. I already know the answer. They did pay for it. So here, the report can be viewed by Granada Research. Okay, there's all sorts of names. I could create like BS Research. I probably wouldn't call it that if I was going to do a stock pump, but none of these research outfits are really useful or independent or ethical. Yeah, that's a fair assessment. So we're going to click on the link. Oh, it's not found. Somebody didn't link it properly, but this is Granada Capital's website. I have nothing against Granada Capital. I'm sure they're very lovely people, but I am interested in their research. Because if you take a look at the companies that they have promoted, oh, my bad, researched, all of these companies, or except for this one, SMCG is actually a NASDAQ company. Who's Your Daddy? These are bulletin board companies. Electronic Control Security, I mean, these are pieces of crap. But we're only interested in this one. Let's not judge yet too much, or try not to. So I want to view the report. My computer is slow, so we need a filler. What should we do to fill the time, Dalila? We should kiss? Oh, I like that. Okay, here's the report.
Kind of
Initial report,
nice.
it came out March 3rd, but the PR didn't come out until March 17th. Weird, blah, 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 lots of numbers. And I don't look at all this research because it's all fluff. They can say whatever they want, okay? And they were paid to do it if my hunch is correct, which it usually is, which is why I'm making this video. All that matters here is the disclaimer. And you can see the disclaimer is
Pretty big
long
disclaimer.
and weird, and this is what they say. And you know, when you're looking through disclaimers, you want to try and find where they say that they've been compensated. Companies
I
have
see
learned.
it.
All right, don't give it away yet. Hold on. Companies don't want to show that they've been compensated money. They want to pretend to be real research companies, so they don't use numbers.
Wow, they
So
spelled it out.
they spell it
How
out. That's a nice
clever.
little trick because someone's just looking at disclaimers. They want to see how much they paid. They want to see the figure. If you hide it in the middle of the text like this, 8,000 US dollars for creating, updating, and disseminating this report. You know, and from this time, GCC may be paid in cash and stock to publish information provided by its clients. The information is provided by the company. That makes it totally useless because the company is obviously going to put everything best. They're going to sugarcoat it, just like Bear Stearns CEO going on CNBC the day before the company collapsed saying we're fine. Okay? You can't trust companies, you can't trust CEOs, and you especially cannot trust companies that pay to get promoted. So we've recognized this is a promoted stock. Now let's look at the chart. You know, that's just the first step. There's a little work involved. This is SMCG. This is their chart. This is a 1-year chart. You can see it's gone from 4.5 basically down to 50 cents. And now you see it's coming back a little bit, 50 cents to $2. It was up 50%. You know, so you see a little volume. Again, not much, but it all started right around March. Was when the research report came out, and you see April and May, you know, you have some volume spikes. Institutional clients, a lot of naive institutional clients, remember 70% of all mutual funds fail to beat the S&P 500, and a lot of sketchy people look at these research reports, they get compensated, they try and pitch the company to other clients. So this stock is up, I'm going to say, entirely on hype. And so right now it's gone up gradually. You know, 50% on Friday was nice. Maybe they closed a deal or something. Maybe something actually did happen. But in my experience, and you see from the other videos, this is not a true pump and dump. True pump and dumps are, very quick and they're over very quick. This is a pump and dump, but it's a slow motion pump and dump. So far, we're really up 50 cents. This is a 10-day chart. I shouldn't bring that up because really we want to focus on the long-term trend here. Maybe it has bottomed at 50 cents and it's at $2. I would love for it to shoot up to 3 or 4 or 5 in a few days. Really get the pump on. Come on, Granada Capital. Get your pump on. Ooh, I should get that domain name. Get your pump on? Do you like that?
It's cute.
It's kind of weird. Get your pump on? I mean, I'm talking about stock pumps.
Focus.
Sorry, gotta focus. See, I'm not that focused.
I want to play tennis today, so we're trying to get this video over
We're
with.
gonna go play tennis. But this is one to watch. This is how you research pump and dumps. And so
It's
now,
good this way, though. Now everybody has time to prepare.
exactly. This one is a slow motion. I'm not saying short this here at $1.84. I'm saying put it on your watch list. We know that this stock is being promoted. My guess is Granada Capital or somebody else will be compensated very shortly to pump out more press releases and more, quote, research reports. And you always have to watch for this stock. Here's another one, CNOA. I got to throw out lots of pump and dumps. This was a rice play that I found, not because its stock was up enough for me to care about, but right around here, when you see the volume spike, China Organic Agriculture, and I wrote a lot about this, because the volume really spiked right here, the volume really spiked right here. These were paid research reports that pushed the stock up and the volume up, and they were both great times to short the stock. I only found this stock because an angry reader emailed me and said, I hate penny stocks, they're so random. This is the largest rice play in China, it should be going up, rice is going through the roof. Wrong. The reason why it was going through the roof, or the stock was up, and the reason why this guy found out about it was because a few people were paid to promote the stock. The stock, any stock that gets promoted is a great short into strength. That's the lesson here. June 6th is my webinar. We're going to have a much more in-depth lesson. I'm working on concepts right now. I've got over 50. It's going to be a multi-hour webinar, and this is just the start. But you can see this is a way to profit, to get your odds in your favor, and that's all I'm trying to do. Just try to get your odds up.
I'll be there. I'll be watching.
Leila will be watching too.
I know it's going to be good. He's been working on it for a long time.
Yeah, it has
Way
been
too long.
It's been a little while. So thank you guys. June 6th. Check it out. Or if not, you can just check out timothysykes.com. TimAlerts.com. I will not promote anymore. Bye-bye.